Okay students, so we have 3 samples here of a part of a garment that was stitched. Alright, now we have the skirt here, a simple little skirt, and we have one side here which was stitched using the directional stitching. Okay, so we stitch from the base going upwards, and you also see that I had my pin basting in place. Now anytime you're pin basting a garment, you always pin across the seam and not with the seam. Okay, you go across the seam and you can actually sew with your sewing machine across these pins. Okay, so take a look at this side now. I went in the wrong direction, and if you notice, the edge of the garment now is curling. Okay, I am sure you can notice here too, one side of the garment is curling while the other side is straight, because this one was pushed until we have all of this out. Okay, and this was supposed to be even with the bottom garment. And even if we decide to cut this edge and even it off, this edge of the skirt will always want to tend to twist upwards, and it will never fall straight. See what's going on? The other side is nice and straight. Look at this side, it's curling. Same thing with the neckline. Okay, so we have a pin base neckline here, and I did a directional stitching from here to the middle and then from here to the middle. Okay, you see it's nice and flat. Now take a look at the one that I did without doing the directional stitching. I stitched all in one direction, and what is going on again here, we are seeing that curl. Okay, so it will never stay nice and neat and smooth. You'll always find some sort of this distortion in your garment. Take a look at it there, you see? As I drop it down, you're still seeing that distortion. And that is what we try to get away from by using directional stitching.